In this question, they give you 2 points, and then after that, they tell you that how those points are transformed to another point, semi-image, and then we have to write down the coordinates of the image of the new point. Uh, Before you start it, this one is relatively straightforward, but sometimes maybe they give you the outcome. That means they give you the image, and then you have to chase back what is the original point. So pay extra attention when you find these kind of questions. And then to get the coordinate of A is -3, 4. B is 9, -9. Try to write down the coordinate in this format with x coordinate in one column, y coordinate in one column, because it's very useful in part B. And then to do this, we have to draw by ourselves in our draft paper. -3, 4, that means go left by 3 and then go up by 4. Try to have a greater difference because we are going to rotate it. So even though 4 and 3 is quite close to each other, but we just make a more obvious difference here. This is point A. It's difficult to rotate the line OA. That's why we try to rotate the horizontal line. The red line, if we rotate anti-clockwise for 90 degrees, then horizontal to left will become vertical, downward. Similar reason, the blue line go up by 4 will become go left by 4. So if we read this coordinate, that means the image of A. This is go left by 4, so this mark is -4. And then go down by 3, so this mark is -3. Go left by 4, go down by 3. So that's the coordinate of A. And I would suggest you draw this diagram twice to ensure that you don't make any careless mistake, because it's highly related to part B. So we get -4 and -3 here. And then B, 9, -9, we label that point also. 9 maybe further away, and -9. So this is point B. The height here is -9. And then it is refracted with respect to x-axis. The key point is you need to know where is the mirror. The mirror, they say the mirror is the x-axis. So this point will jump over here. That's why the point will become, the height is -9, then the new height is +9. So B is 9, +9. After that, we have to prove the line AB is perpendicular to A prime B prime. The graph here is not good enough to analyze this because 4 and 9 is not that close. So we just focus on the calculation. We have to consider the slope AB, and also we consider the slope of A prime B prime. And then by the product, if their product is equal to -1, then we know that they are perpendicular. If we multiply these two is not -1, then they are not perpendicular. So in this case, because we have all the coordinates, we just compare delta y and delta x. So 4 plus y. 4 minus -9, -3 minus 9. And then similar reason, we try to calculate the slope of A prime B prime. We compare those 2 points, y difference and also x difference. We get 2 values. Now we are considering perform a test MAB times MA prime B prime. We want to investigate about their product. So we find out that this is -1. Uh, don't write that it's -1 directly. Try to find it out and then prove it is -1 because it's not given that they are perpendicular. You have to pretend that you don't know they are -1 before. Therefore, since the product is equal to -1, that's why our conclusion is AB perpendicular to A prime B prime. Then you answer the questions already.